this is a tutorial. It's mostly for my friend because she needed help, but this goes out to anyone who has trouble putting sound effects into their videos. So here we go. Okay, so we're gonna go into YouTube now. Search up the sound effect. Like, I'm gonna search up the nice sound effect. So, and no, sound effect. Look at that, it's so funny. So you're gonna click your sound effect. So I copied it, and then you're gonna have to go to Google. Wait, you have to go to Google and search up YouTube MP3. Then click the first link that you see. I use that one. So I click it, and then it takes me to this page.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Copy and paste. No, just paste it, and then click convert. Now just we have to wait. When it's done, click download, and that should be it. I also forgot to mention that you have to go to KineMaster, then go to songs, and it's gonna be around there. So yeah, that should be it. I hope this was helpful to some of you guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.